Baking day at Grandma's. It's baking day, it's baking day, it's baking day at Grandma's. Bundle up, it's time to go, out across the drifts of snow. Past the pond so smooth and clear, little cottage drawing near. Past the pond so smooth and clear, little cottage drawing near. Knock, knock on Grandma's door, hear her pad across the floor. Plant a kiss on Grandma's nose, cozy fire warming toes. It's baking day, it's baking day, it's baking day at Grandma's. Pass out aprons, 1, 2, 3. Grandma reads the recipe. Flour, sugar, butter, eggs. Stand on the chair with tippy legs. It's baking day, it's baking day, it's baking day at Grandma's. Wooden spoon and measuring cup. Mix the batter, stir it up. Fold it gently in the pan. Lick the spoon because we can. Hop down from the tippy chair, smell the sweetness in the air. One hot cocoa at each place, frosty window, smiley face. It's baking day, it's baking day, it's baking day at Grandma's. Old-time music, soft and sweet, skipping notes and tapping feet, learning songs that Grandma sings when the kitchen timer rings. Tasty treats in pretty bags, each one marked with little tags, coats and boots and hats and gloves, the hugs that we know that Grandma loves. Flip the pan and out it pops, cut in squares and frost the tops. Add some sprinkles, wrap one each, tie a ribbon, nearly done. It's baking day, it's baking day, it's baking day at Grandma's. Walking home under the noon, back to visit Grandma soon.